Vitiligo. Vitiligo is a skin condition where some parts of the skin lose their color. This happens when the body stops making melanin in certain areas. Melanin is what gives skin its natural color. The lighter patches can appear anywhere on the body, and every person's pattern looks different. Some people are born with it while others notice it later in life. Even though it changes the way skin looks, it does not change who a person is. Over time, many people with vitiligo have helped others see beauty in skin that looks different. Albinism. Albinism is a rare genetic condition that affects the amount of melanin in the skin, hair, and eyes. People with albinism often have very light skin and light-colored hair, even if the rest of their family has darker features. Their eyes can also be sensitive to sunlight because melanin helps protect vision. Albinism has existed throughout human history, and people with the condition can be found in every part of the world. What makes it special is how clearly it shows the role melanin plays in the human body. High melanin skin. High melanin skin is often seen in people with darker skin tones. Melanin is a natural pigment that protects the skin from strong sunlight. In places close to the equator where the sun is stronger, people developed more melanin over many generations. This helped protect their skin from damage caused by ultraviolet light. Dark skin can appear in many beautiful shades, from deep brown to very rich black tones. Across different cultures, it has always carried its own history, beauty, and identity. Freckles. Freckles are small spots that appear on the skin, usually after sun exposure. They happen when certain areas produce more melanin than others. Freckles are common in people with lighter skin, especially those with red or blonde hair, but they can appear on anyone. In some countries, freckles were once hidden with makeup because people thought clear skin looked better. Today, many people see freckles as something unique that adds character to a person's appearance. Birthmarks. Birthmarks are marks on the skin that appear at birth or shortly after. Some are caused by extra pigment, while others come from tiny blood vessels under the skin. They can be small, large, dark red, or even blue. Every birthmark tells its own story because no two are exactly alike. In many cultures, birthmarks were once believed to carry spiritual meanings or signs of luck. Modern medicine explains them differently, but people still often see them as something personal and special. Heterochromia. Heterochromia is a condition where a person has two different eye colors or different colors within the same eye. It happens because of differences in melanin inside the iris. Some people are born with it naturally, while others develop it later because of injury or certain medical conditions. Blue and brown is one of the most common combinations, though many other mixes exist. Because it is rare, people with heterochromia often stand out immediately in a crowd. Mosaic skin condition. Mosaic skin conditions happen when the body develops with cells that carry slightly different genetic information. This can create unusual patterns on the skin, sometimes with two clearly different skin tones on the same body. These patterns may follow lines, shapes, or sections that look almost painted by hand. Scientists study these conditions to better understand how human skin develops before birth. To many people, these patterns look rare and unforgettable because they show how complex the human body really is. Melasma. Melasma causes darker patches to appear on the skin, usually on the face. It is often linked to hormones, sunlight, or pregnancy. The condition is very common, especially in women, and can appear gradually over time. While it is harmless, it can affect confidence because the patches are often very visible. Many people try treatments to lighten the skin, but others choose to accept it as part of their natural appearance. Harlequin ichthyosis. Harlequin ichthyosis is one of the rarest skin conditions in the world. It affects how the skin forms and grows, causing it to become extremely thick and dry. Babies born with this condition need special medical care from the very beginning. Years ago, survival was very difficult, but modern medicine has greatly improved treatment and quality of life. People living with the condition often become powerful examples of strength because of the challenges they overcome every day. Dermatographia. Dermatographia is a condition where the skin reacts very strongly to touch or pressure. Even a light scratch can leave raised marks or lines that look like writing on the skin. The marks usually fade after a short time, but they can surprise people who have never seen it before. Doctors still do not fully understand why some people develop it, though it is generally harmless.